Wow. Fucking beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Lovely. Eggs are the only breakfast you should have as a man because they give you a testosterone boost. They also keep your stomach full for the most amount of time. I heard about a study they did at Harvard where basically they gave kids, I think it was kids, they gave them different types of breakfast for different groups of kids. It was oatmeal, then it was like a specific type of oatmeal, and then it was omelette or just eggs. And what they found was that the groups that ate anything other than eggs, being the oatmeal, they got hungry way faster. So that meant that they needed to eat more during the day. So not only were eggs the most nutrition or not only were the eggs the most nutrient rich, they kept the stomach fullest for the longest. The other thing they found was that when the body is digesting the oatmeal, the cortisol levels spiked in the body. So body is almost like, what the fuck? The body is almost in a stress-like state when it's digesting the oatmeal, whereas eggs didn't create that that sensation, that fuck whatever, man. Eggs didn't do that, right? The absolute worst thing you could eat for breakfast is sugar. So different types of porridges, even oatmeal, pancakes, stuff like that. Pancakes is fine. I eat it on Sundays sometimes because it's only like 1 day a week. But your main breakfast needs to be eggs because nothing gives you as much protein, especially if you want to build muscle as well. And it's just healthy for your body. Your breakfast should mostly be just fats and protein. And I noticed when I only ate eggs and avocado for breakfast, then my energy levels in the gym dropped. So I was kind of feeling lousy in the gym or sluggish. So I just added rice or some kind of carbs to my diet. I don't have rice right now, but it's like this thing. I don't know how it's called in English, so whatever. Just make sure that the porridge you have is like it's not oats, it's not like the sweet ones, you know? It has to be like a specific, I can't remember the name now, but I will put it on screen. It has to be like of that specific sort of thing they make the porridge from. You can't have something for breakfast that has bread in it, that has any kind of starch, sugars, because you're just going to have a massive energy crash in the afternoon. Or not even in the afternoon, like only 1 or 2 hours after waking up or after eating the breakfast. Whereas if you eat eggs, your energy levels will stay throughout the day. I know there was some kind of theory going on like a few years ago or like even tens of years ago where you shouldn't eat more than like 1 egg every day because of cholesterol levels, but that's bullshit. I think it was proven as bullshit as well. So I think most people who don't eat eggs still have that study in the back of their mind, kind of. So that's their damn. No more chili. Yeah. Anyway, fuck it. I'll have to do with something else. But the people who don't eat eggs have that study in their back of the mind. So that's kind of just stuck to them of not eating eggs. But you really have to change that because eggs are the like most powerful thing you could eat for breakfast. So definitely just eat eggs. I remember when I was in the military, we had eggs, but they were boiled and they were boiled like blue. So they overboiled them. They tasted like shit. They were hard. And I didn't want to eat them. And I didn't really care about dieting back then. It was a few years ago. So what I ate for breakfast and what most of us ate was just sausages with ketchup, then some marinated cucumber, then cereal for like dessert for breakfast, 2 bowls of cereal. I think it was 30 minutes after eating the breakfast, and we already had that energy crash, where basically none of us had any kind of energy to do any of the stuff we needed to do, like the military exercises and shit. So after I finished the military, I came back home, started to pay more attention to what I'm eating. I switched to the eggs. When I was in Australia, I switched to a diet of the eggs and avocado for breakfast, and I realized I need some carbs as well because I like to work out. So just having the eggs and avocado, the eggs already contain a lot of fats. So when you have avocado as well for breakfast, then you have too much fats and it digests too slow. So the energy will come, but it will come later. You need the energy right away if you want to train like an hour or two after breakfast. So just eat eggs. And if you feel like you don't have or as much energy as you need for the gym, just add some kind of carbs, but make sure it's not pasta or any like sugary carbs. Just eat rice or this type of porridge. What I will put the name of the porridge on the screen afterwards. I can't remember it now. I don't even know how it is called in English. So the breakfast is ready. Just wanted to share this quick message with you because it's really important for me. This is what I'm eating every morning. The best food for breakfast. Absolutely the best one. No doubts about it. I can add some salad, but I don't have salad, so I just eat the eggs and I don't really. It's not like I will get bored of it or whatever, because if you need or you know the benefits of eggs, then you can't really get bored of it. And the eggs have so many like different types of variations how to make them. You can make omelets, you can make boil the eggs, you can fry the eggs, you can fry the eggs with cheese, you can make fucking whatever. I just fry them because I like them the most that way, but you can experiment. Okay. This shit is so good. Just the porridge.